Something big is happening with Google's Pixel lineup, and it could completely change the way we think about Android phones. Leaks are pointing to upgrades so radical, even longtime Pixel fans might be stunned. Connectivity, AI, design, everything could get a reboot. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. The biggest rumor? Google may finally abandon Samsung's modems and team up with MediaTek for the new M90. On paper, it sounds simple, but the implications are huge. Think dual-active 5S IMAX, download speeds hitting 12 gigabits per second, and here's the kicker, built-in satellite connectivity. That's right, a Pixel that could stay online without towers, without Wi-Fi, anywhere. If this is real, it's not just a phone upgrade, it's a potential game changer for connectivity as we know it. And then there's the hardware. Google is rumored to be slimming down designs across the Pixel 11 Pro, Pro XL, and possibly a foldable. The third-gen foldable, codenamed Yogi, could bring a hinge so refined it might feel seamless, paired with software that's smart enough to anticipate how you use it. It's like Google is quietly building a phone that could make other flagship devices feel outdated. But the suspense doesn't stop there. AI features in the upcoming Pixel update are pushing boundaries. Google's Remix tool in Messages could let you turn simple photos into mini AI creations. Notification summaries could learn what matters most to you, silencing distractions automatically. VIP alerts might warn you about disasters affecting loved ones. Every detail, small or large, seems designed to make the Pixel smarter, faster, more personal, almost eerily so. Now, imagine combining all this: MediaTek's M90 modem, Tensor G6 chip, foldable improvements, and an AI ecosystem that predicts your needs. Could Google finally deliver a phone that doesn't just compete, but feels ahead of its time in every way? The leaks hint at it, but nothing is official yet. One wrong move and this could all fall apart. So here's the question you can't ignore. Is Google about to shock the mobile world with a Pixel 11 Pro that changes everything? Or are we chasing rumors that will never materialize? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear which part you think will actually happen. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep watching the future unfold, one leak at a time.